Imagine saving hundreds of dollars on mechanic fees while having the power to diagnose your car's problems right in your driveway. With holiday sales dropping prices on professional-grade diagnostic tools, there's never been a better time to grab one of these. I've tested dozens of scanners, and today I'm breaking down the 5 absolute best deals you can get right now on Amazon. Links are in the description below, so let's dive in. Number 1. Autel MaxiCOM MK808S Scanner. Let me start with the beast of this list, the Autel MaxiCOM MK808S. This thing is sitting around $479 right now, and honestly, it's what I reach for when I need serious diagnostic power. What makes this scanner special? It's got true bidirectional control. That means you're not just reading codes, you're actually sending commands to your car's systems. Want to test if your ABS module is working? You can activate it. Need to check if a window motor is dead? Command it to move. This is the kind of control dealerships use, and you're getting it in your hands. The MK808S covers all the major systems: engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, TPMS, battery, you name it. But here's where it gets really good. It comes with 28 special service functions. Oil reset? Done. Steering angle calibration? Easy. ABS bleeding, injector coating, battery registration, all included. These are services that shops charge $50 to $100 for, and you can do them yourself. The hardware is solid too. It runs on Android 11 with a responsive touchscreen, 4 gigs of RAM, and 64 gigs of storage. The processor is 5 times faster than older models, which means no lag when you're scrolling through live data. And it works with 99% of vehicles from 1996 onwards. Who should buy this? If you work on multiple cars, do your own repairs, or just want dealership-level diagnostics without dealership prices, this is your tool. Check the link in the description for current holiday pricing. Coming in at number 2 is the XTOOL D7 Bidirectional OBDII scanner. It's priced around $419, and it's punching way above its weight class. The D7 gives you bidirectional control just like the Autel, but here's where it gets interesting. It can perform over 4,000 active tests. That's insane for this price point. You can run component tests while watching live sensor data at the same time. So if you're testing a fuel pump, you can see the pressure readings change in real time as you activate it. That's powerful diagnostics. Another standout feature, ECU coding. If you own a BMW, Mercedes-Benz, or Mitsubishi, you can actually code modules. That's something even more expensive scanners don't always offer. Plus, you get 36 special service functions, things like DPF regeneration, transmission adaptation, battery registration, and throttle body alignment. The vehicle coverage is massive too. Over 100,000 vehicle models are supported, and it handles modern protocols like CAN-FD and DOIP. If you've got a newer car with advanced networking systems, this scanner can talk to it. Bottom line, if you want professional-level diagnostics without breaking the bank, the XTOOL D7 is absolutely killer. It's got the features, the coverage, and those 3 years of updates make it a no-brainer. Link is down below. Number 3. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan Tool. All right, let's talk about the BlueDriver because this is where things get really accessible. At $80 to $120 depending on sales, this is the budget champion with over 45,000 5-star reviews. Here's what makes the BlueDriver different. It's wireless and works with both iPhone and Android. You plug this little adapter into your OBDII port, pair it with your phone, and boom, you've got a diagnostic scanner in your pocket. The app is seriously one of the best I've used. Clean interface, easy to understand, and it actually explains what the codes mean in plain English. Now, it's not bidirectional like the first 2 scanners, but for most people, that's totally fine. You can read and clear engine codes, pull ABS codes, airbag codes, and transmission codes on supported vehicles. You get live data streaming, freeze-frame data, and even Mode 6 for emissions testing, which is huge if you're trying to pass inspection. But here's who this is perfect for. Everyday drivers who want to check engine lights, DIYers doing basic maintenance, or anyone who just wants to know what's wrong before heading to a shop. You'll never get ripped off again because you'll know exactly what's broken. At this price point, it's honestly a must-have for every car owner. Grab it while it's on sale. Link below. Number 4 is the Innova 5610 OBDII Bidirectional Scan Tool. If you know the Innova brand, you know they've been making diagnostic tools for decades. This is their best one yet. It does full system diagnostics too. Engine, ABS, airbags, transmission, you can scan it all. The enhanced data stream lets you watch live sensor data from multiple systems at once, which is crucial for diagnosing intermittent problems. And you get all the important service functions: oil reset, electronic parking brake service, battery registration, and more. Here's something cool. It pairs with the Repair Solutions 2F. So you can use it wired with the handheld unit or go wireless through your phone. That flexibility is nice when you're working in tight engine bays. The best part? Free lifetime updates with 0 subscription fees. That's huge because your scanner stays current with new vehicles without any extra cost. Plus, you get ASE certified tech support if you ever get stuck. Now, the potential downside: the screen is a bit smaller than the Autel or XTOOL, sitting at 3.5 inches. It's totally usable, but if you're doing a lot of heavy diagnostic work, you might prefer a bigger display. Who's this for? DIY enthusiasts who want something reliable, backed by a trusted brand with solid support. If you're tired of cheap scanners that don't last, Innova builds quality tools. Check the link in the description for holiday pricing. Rounding out the list at number 5 is the TOPDON OBDII 600 Pro OBDII scanner. This is actually one of the newer scanners on the market, and TOPDON packed some serious features into this thing. The OBDII 600 Pro does full system diagnostics across all your vehicle's modules: engine, transmission, ABS, body control, airbags, everything. It's got AutoVin technology, which means as soon as you plug it in, it automatically identifies your vehicle. No scrolling through endless menus trying to find your make and model. Just plug in and start scanning. You get 9 essential maintenance functions, including ABS bleeding, battery matching, oil reset, DPF regeneration, and TPMS reset. These are the services you actually use regularly, and they're all built in. It also supports modern protocols like FCA AutoAuth and CAN-FD, so it works with the newest vehicles that require secure gateway access. Now, the downside: it doesn't have bidirectional control like the top scanners on this list. You can read, diagnose, and perform service functions, but you can't send commands to test individual components. For full system diagnostics and maintenance work, that's usually fine, but if you need to test actuators, you'll want to look at the Autel or XTOOL instead. That said, at under $300 with lifetime updates and full system coverage, this is a solid choice for someone who wants comprehensive diagnostics without paying flagship prices. Great for independent mechanics or serious DIYers who work on their own vehicles regularly. These holiday sales won't last forever, and having the right diagnostic tool can save you thousands in the long run. Pick the one that fits your needs and budget, and you'll never be left guessing what's wrong with your car again. Happy wrenching!